Hi, you're watching Plating It with Wendy. Welcome to our kitchen where we share with you recipes which impress with ease. Say hello to your new favorite dessert, Pistachio Tiramisu, a nutty twist on Italy's most beloved treat. This Pistachio Tiramisu layers delicate espresso-soaked ladyfingers with a luscious pistachio mascarpone cream, creating the most delicious dessert. Now let's get started. We're going to start by first making a vanilla flavored coffee syrup. For that, we're going to go in with 1.5 cups of freshly brewed espresso, or you could substitute by using 3 tablespoons of instant coffee mixed in hot water. And now we're going to flavor that with 1 teaspoon of a pure vanilla extract. And to sweeten things up, we're going in with 1.5 tablespoons of white granulated sugar. Now let's give that a mix. Now that the sugar has dissolved, we're going to keep this away to cool down while we work on the custard. For the custard, we're going to go in with 6 egg yolks. Just going to crack the egg here, and we're going to separate the white from the egg yolk. And now into the bowl it goes. And now we're going to add 1 cup of sugar to the bowl. Going to give it a quick stir so that the egg yolks and the sugar both combine. And now that the sugar and the egg yolks are well combined, we're going to take it over to the stove and cook it over a double boiler. We've got a pot of simmering hot water, and we're going to place the heat-proof bowl on top of it with the egg yolks and the sugar. And while doing this, make sure that the water does not touch the bowl. You only want the steam touching the base of the bowl. And we're going to keep whisking till the sugar melts and the egg mixture turns light and pale in color. And by the time the sugar melts, you will be sure that you won't be eating any raw egg yolks in this dessert. Make sure that you keep whisking while it's on the double boiler. You want to incorporate as much air as you can into the egg yolks. This is going to make the custard nice and light. Now that the sugar has melted, we're going to take it off the heat and allow it to cool while we continue with the recipe. Now we're going to add 24 ounces, which is 680 grams of room temperature mascarpone cheese. And for the best of both worlds, we're going to add the pistachio cream, which is going to give us that lovely nutty flavor to a traditional tiramisu. We're going in with 1 cup, which is approximately 225 grams of the pistachio cream. With our mixer on a medium speed, we're going to blend the two together till well combined before we add in the egg mixture. And now let's pour in the egg mixture. And once again, we're going to go in with our hand mixer and blend it all together. And once it's all combined and your custard is silky smooth, you're going to keep it aside and whip up some cream. To a large bowl, we're going to add 1.5 cups of cold heavy cream or whipping cream. We're going to flavor that with 2 teaspoons of a pure vanilla extract. We're first going to start our mixer on a low speed, and as the cream thickens, we're going to increase the speed and we're going to whip it till we get soft peaks. We're going to add the cream into the pistachio custard, and using the cut and fold method, we're going to combine the two together. Make sure to be very gentle when doing this. You don't want to deflate the cream. You want a light custard. And once it's almost combined, we're going to add in the rest. And now once again, using the cut and fold method, we're going to blend it together. When you have a large gathering, this is a perfect dessert to prepare because one dish goes a long way. But you know what? You might have to make a double batch because your guests are going to love it so much that they're definitely going to come back for seconds. To layer the tiramisu, we're going to go in with some Italian cookies called Ladyfingers, and these are available in the grocery store or you can get them online. So we're first going to give them a quick dip into our coffee mixture, shake off the excess, and then we're going to lay it down in our tray. And now we're going to continue doing this till we have a complete layer at the bottom of the tray. And for the second row, I've trimmed some of the cookies so that they fit into the tray. And we're going to dip them once again in the coffee mixture and place them down. And now we're going to divide our pistachio custard into half and put 1 layer on top of the cookies. Using an offset spatula, we're going to spread it around and level it across the dish. And now we're going to go in with the second layer of the cookies. So once again, we're quickly going to dip them into the coffee mixture and then lay them down on top of the pistachio custard. And now we're going to spoon on the rest of the pistachio custard on the top. And once again, we're going to go in with our offset spatula and level out the custard and spread it across the dish. Being very gentle when you're doing this because you do not want to deflate the custard. To decorate the pistachio tiramisu, we're going to put some of the pistachio cream into a piping bag, snip off the top, and then we're going to start piping down lines of the pistachio cream across the dish, leaving about a 1-inch gap between each line. Now, using a toothpick or a skewer, we are going to start feathering the lines. So we're going to run our skewer first from left to the right of the dish, and then from the right to the left of the dish. Now into the refrigerator, this is going to go for 4 to 6 hours or overnight for the best results. And so that everybody knows what flavor the tiramisu is, we're going to sprinkle on some chopped pistachios around the edge. And you're going to sprinkle them just before serving so that the nuts remain fresh. Now to cut the tiramisu, we're going to use these lines as guides. So we're just going to take our knife and run it down straight. You're going to clean your knife after every cut, and you can cut the pieces as big or as small as you like. And then you're going to cut it into squares. Now let's scoop it up and enjoy. Oh my goodness, look at that. And now it's time to give the pistachio tiramisu a taste. But before we do that, if you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed already and love to try out recipes that turn out right every time, you're at the right place. So go ahead, press that subscribe button, and while you're at it, if you hit the bell icon, you'll be the first to get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, now let's give the tiramisu a taste. Wow, I'm really excited because I love pistachios. Ooh, it's so nice. And into my mouth it goes. Wow, this is so delicious. The pistachio paste adds to the creaminess and it just melts in your mouth. You're going to love this blend of flavors. So hop onto my website, platingitwithwendy.com, or you can hit on the link in the description box below for the full written recipe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.